Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 14 Pro and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening this app, which is pre-installed Phone Manager. Let's tap on it, and here we've got viruses and risks, so let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on scan again in my case, because I'm doing it again, and as you can see your device will right now scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses or malware, and your device will of course show you the results. In my case it is secured. What is more, under it you've got the recommended optimization, so what you can do to optimize your device. Of course, if it will find any kind of risks, it will show you the information about it and the actions which you can take, what kind of actions you can take to remove the risk. And here you've got also the scan records, so you can check when you've been manually scanning the phone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.